Yo, I'm 𝐾𝐞𝐬𝐜𝐫𝐢𝐻 over here with Mitsubishi Evolution 10 GSR, which is a perfect family sedan for car salesperson. Now, let's have a closer look. Introducing Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 10 GSR. This unit comes with a rebuilt forged engine and upgraded prop shaft. Also, front and behind we got AP brakes sitting on AME tracer wheels. Also, as you can see, a lot of carbon fiber roof, carbon fiber, even the rain visor also carbon fiber. And of course, we have HKS intercooler and exhaust. This is a family sedan, so it's very comfy. You see interior is all Alcantara and all is in fantastic condition. Look at the original Recaro seats. Of course, a lot of carbon fiber in front and 5-speed manual gearbox with carbon fiber knot. And also all the meters for you to see all the things that need to be seen. Alright guys, on top of that, this car got brand new ATS Spec 2 clutch that's got like 3 kilometers on it. Literally just drove this here from Garage A. On top of that, we also have AYC pump and transfer case are new, and we have 1100cc injectors. So, you all know what to do. Call me and we'll give you a good deal.